In the previous video, we attached the cement boards and we're getting really close to being able to tile, but there's still a lot more steps that we need to do. So in this video, our goal is to plaster up all the seams, all the corners, get everything ready for us to waterproof it. And we're gonna use fiberglass. We're gonna attach it on the corners and all the seams, so everything is not breaking and cracking whenever things are moving around. So let's get started, get this bathtub out of here and start plastering.
Actually, we first wanna mix the cement mixture, so it has to sit for 15 minutes.
10
to 15, and then we'll move the bathtub. Perfect.
Huh?
Fascinating.
I mean, kinda.
Okay, so yeah, that is the one that we're gonna be using.
Fiberglass.
Let's try it for the first time. How good does it work? Kind of made it work.
Nope.
Kind of okay, yeah. I guess pretty good. If the stupid glue would stick a bit better, I hope that's not a problem.
It's not the glue's fault.
I don't know, it's like, why is it unsticking? And like here it's good, and then there's some spots that's not. How does it feel to finally use the tools we bought 6 years ago? I mean, they were never meant for our walls, I guess. Beautiful. Looks really good. It's so annoying that it's unsticking there. I don't know why am I so impressed about the tools working so amazing, if that's what they're meant to do. It's not like we discovered something new, right? But they work so good. But I guess we never really had need for them until now.
That just proves that our walls are square-ish. Or at least we're making them more square-ish. I love the tools. Looking at the corner fix up, like finish.
I mean, that's what they're meant to do. Doing a very professional job here, cutting out the corners perfectly. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
Tool of perfection.
I hope it's not drying too fast.
So we are done. It is all looking good. It of course needs a bit more work. As it's drying, I'm going over it and making it a bit more perfect. And of course, once it's fully dry, I'm gonna go over and sand it really smooth and nice and perfect. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good, and we have gone over all the major spots and having them nice and filled in with cement, and we put all the fiberglass in all the corners, all the seams, everything is done. So we are one step closer to having ready for the tiles. But since I have still some left, I will go over the walls, fill in some holes, some of the cracks and some of the imperfections, just to make it a bit nicer and make it look a bit better. Not a lot really needed. It's mostly here and here all around where we ripped it, and maybe some things around here. Gonna fill those in, so those are also ready, so the walls can be also painted. So we're gonna paint those as well in the upcoming days before we get on with the tiles. So let's get started and finish up the holes.
I left for 10 minutes.
Well, work has to be done. Oh, last time it pissed itself when I did that, but I don't know.
Are you planning to walk over all of this?
What have I left there? Ah, it's not really much.
Okay, sure.
Ooh, water. Water. Oh, the day is ending. This patience is running.
All of this just to plaster 2 little holes.
So we are finished with plastering. It looks really good, all one solid piece, and we should have it all structurally safe since we put that fiberglass in the seams and the corners. And it is drying pretty fast. It is quite fast drying and it hardens up quite hard. So the next step is going to be to sandpaper it and clean it up and get it ready to be rubberized and waterproofed. But I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to see you in the next one when we get on with the next job in the bathroom. But hope you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you. Bye-bye. Later. Word mess up. Nice.